Hello friends. On last video I shared my views about the basic don't or basic wrong way of the stock market. In this video I am going to share the right way to enter in the stock market, and then we will take a small view on day trading. So uh, first of all we should understand that there is no easy way to earn money in the stock market. We have to do lot of hard work, then only we can earn money in the market. So we should try to understand these basic point before entering the stock market. First, try to understand what is the stock market and how does it work. Number second, we should try to understand the difference between good quality stock and bad quality stock. Try to understand between Nifty 50 stock and other penny stock. Difference between investing and trading. Try to get the knowledge from an experienced person who is working in this field from so many time. We should read book and try to collect the data through video or attend some training to get the knowledge of this area. We should get the knowledge and do back testing through past data available in the terminal. After complete satisfaction, we should make the entry as per our plan and strictly follow the plan. Be patient and faith on your plan. Get the experience on the same field. We should know the difference between technical and fundamental analysis. We should know the difference between long-term investing and short-term investing. We should know the difference between intraday trading and swing trading. We should know the expiry time of future and option contract. We should know the effect of time on option contract. We should understand what I am going to do and start with a limited amount. Try to do with the patience and calm mind. We should take it as a business, not as a way of gambling. Try to get the knowledge, not to make money in the short period of time. If you get the knowledge, then money definitely come to you. So this is the basic things which is must to enter in the stock market, because when we understand these process, then only we aware about the stock market and can do right and can make right entry. I'm a day trader, so now I am going to share my view about the day trading. Day trading totally the game of technical and analyze. It purely dependent on the chart reading and understand the location and make entry. You should know the difference between day trading and swing trading. In day trading, we have to buy the stock and the same day we have to sell. Or if we sell the stock, short sell the stock, then on the same day we have to buy. In swing trading, we can hold the stock for one or more days. There are so many indicators available in the market, just like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, VWAP, Stochastic, CPR, Pivot Point, and Moving Average. But as per my understanding, there is no need of so many indicators. I strongly believe and prefer simple moving average, 20 daily simple moving average and 200-day simple moving average. Price action is the best way to understand the movement, and we can take a call as per the higher probability of next move of stock market and take the trade accordingly. In day trading, location play a vital role to make the entry. I am a day trader. I do not want to take the risk of overnight changes due to any global reason. I totally believe in technical analysis and work accordingly. We need a back-tested strategy. A strict stop loss required on a logical point. We should know why we buy on a specific price and what should be the stop loss against this entry. We should know the trading psychology. We should know we should know to do revenge trading, over trading, and fear of missing out. Now the total conclude at the end of this video. I just want to say You have to believe on yourself only. Believe on your education, believe on your understanding power and your hard work and your dedication. Please try to understand how can we invest our hard-earned money, our lifeline of our family, on advice of any person. As per my understanding, we should pick one area where we have to do the work. On this area, we have to do so many back testing till complete satisfaction. After satisfaction, we have to make the plan to do work on this area. We have to follow the strategy strictly and faith on yourself. Your learning and back testing process. Stock trading is the game of probability. No strategy is permanent in this world which give 100% success on every time. So we have to take the maximum probability trade so that we can get benefit from the stock market. And end of the video, knowledge the way only the key of success. So this is my view about day trading. And if you like this video, then you can subscribe it and like it. Thank you guys. Thank you for giving me your precious time.